Hi everybody, my name is Maggie. This is cycle 1, week 3 and 4 if you like, for science. And we are doing what are some parts of an animal cell. So parts of an animal cell are nucleus, cytoplasm, vacuole, mitochondria, cell membrane, and Golgi bodies. All right, so now when we sing this song, which I'll tell you about in a minute, it's not going to be in the same order just because it needed to make sense with the song, so the order's changed slightly. The other thing is if you want to do some hand motions, I got you covered this week. So our hand motions for mitochondria, we're just going to make a mighty muscle just like that. Nucleus, we're going to put our hands together and just do something simple, fist together for nucleus, or like this, whichever you're feeling. This. For Golgi bodies, we're just going to do some fireworks hands. Cell membrane, we're going to be talking on that cell phone like we did back in the 1900s. For vacuole, we're going to pretend like we're vacuuming. And for cytoplasm, we're going to look around. And yeah, those are some parts of our animal cells. You ready? The song we're doing is Bare Necessities. And now this song is going to be the same song for next week. So I'll tell you how that goes in a second. Are you guys ready? Let's see if I can do it. I'm getting over a cold, guys, so bear with me. All right. These are some parts of an animal cell. Mitochondria, nucleus. Yeah, man, I'm talking Golgi bodies. Cell membrane, vacuole, cytoplasm. These are some parts of an animal cell. Yeah, man. And if you wanted to do it all together, it would sound something like this. You ready? Sorry, I lost my notes here. Make it a little bit bigger. It will go just like this. These are some parts of an animal cell. Mitochondria, nucleus. Yeah, man, I'm talking Golgi bodies. Cell membrane, vacuole, cytoplasm. These are some parts of an animal cell. Yeah, man. These are some parts of an plant cell. Mitochondria, nucleus. Yeah, man, I'm talking Golgi bodies. Cell membrane, vacuole, cytoplasm. And don't forget cell walls and chloroplasts. Yeah, man. So that's just how it changes a little bit for plant cells. But it is a song we're going to do for this week and the week after when we go over plant cells. Now, for what you can do this week, so many things, like so many things. And so I'm going to post another video that just covers all the crazy activities you could do with this, from making pizzas, donuts, cookies and taking the different like candies or vegetables to make the different shapes and parts of the cell. Awesome. You can make the top of a cake. You can make Legos into the different plants and animal cells. For my family, that's a real big thing that we'll be doing this week, is really just being really creative and flexing the creative strength of ours and doing lots of drawings and paintings and building, creating in the kitchen to make cells as just a way to remember what the different parts are and how they all make up the different animal cells and plant cells. And the other thing we'll do is, like before, is we'll probably also have a giant animal cell that they will have to take the labels from and then label it onto the actual animal cell. So stay tuned for another video that goes over all the fun things that we'll actually do this week, a kind of a recap. And I cannot wait to see what you guys have in store, because the next 2 weeks, plants and animal cells, you can have so much fun with. And again, really flex those creative muscles. So have a lot of fun with it, and we'll see you next week.